Hello there. So our next exercise is called lift foot, which is going to work our T-zone and our obliques to keep our pelvis nice and stable when we're doing our activities and our exercise. So I just want you to line your back again with your feet hip width apart, shoulder blades back and down. I want you to take a deep breath in, activate your T-zone, breathe out, and lift one foot up off the floor, keeping everything nice and stable. Breathing in as you lower, breathing out as you lift the other foot. Breathing in as you lower, breathing out as you lift the other foot. Keep going. The key with this one is, as we said before, keeping your pelvis really stable and your ribs down, and no movement at all at the hips or the pelvis. So it's a very small controlled movement. Keeping your shoulder blades back and down, your chin tucked in. And your T-zone switched on. It's going to keep your tummy nice and flat and support the lower back when you're exercising to keep you active without pain. That's what we want. And let's do one more each side. Good job.